Hello, Susan here. Once again, I'm using these two lovely items from CraftStash. They're part of the new Apple Blossom range, the 12 Months of Flowers collection. Each month, a special birth flower will be illustrated using a set of stamps, dies, an embossing folder and a layered stencil. Today, I am using March, which is a daffodil. These are really lovely set for March, these daffodils. It makes a really large flower and the dies cut out really nicely. In today's video, I'm going to use the dies and stamps which build up a daffodil flower. So it's these three and these three stamps. I'm going to stamp the stamps on yellow and green card, and for each daffodil flower I want 1 centerpiece and 6 petals. Now I'm going to stamp the leaves and the stems. There's my multi-purpose platform. I've got a precision cutting plate. I'm then going to use the various dies to cut out each of these shapes like this. This is going to take some time, so I will run them through the Big Shot and I'll show you the bits afterwards. With the leaves and stems, it's a good idea to put them in place and then use some masking tape to stick them where they belong, and then they won't move when you're trying to run this through the Big Shot. I can now combine these to make a daffodil. So I've got the stem and the leaves. And then something like this, and then I will make this into a card. So I'm going to make an easel card. So first of all, I need a white card blank and a piece of card that's the same size as half of the base. I'm then going to score halfway along one of the sides. This is 5.5, so half of that will be 2 3/4. This will then fold like that, and then this piece will stick on there with some white glue. I'm now going to decorate the front and the bottom with some card and DP. So I've got this piece and this piece, and then I'm going to do the same on the bottom. Just stick it in place with white glue. So next I just want to arrange my daffodil on the front, and that's what I decided on. All I've got to do now is form the easel part. For my easel stand, I've layered up several pieces of the card and paper, and this will go here, and I'm just going to add the sentiment, which will be Happy Easter, on yellow. So all I've got to do now is stick that in place and add some dimensional tape underneath to make it into an easel. This is just some foam tape, which will give it a bit of height, and then it will hold the easel in place. The worst bit is taking off the backing. So that's today's card. I hope you've enjoyed my little video. See you again soon. Bye.